Hi, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to order food in English at a restaurant. You'll see a simple and fun conversation between a customer and a waiter. Let's learn together. Ready? Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to Sunny Restaurant. How many people?
Just one, please.
Right this way. Here is your table. And here is the menu. By the way, my name is Thomas. I'll be your waiter today. And what's your name?
Nice to meet you, Thomas. I'm Mia.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
Sure. I'll be right back. Here's your juice. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like fries or salad with that?
Fries, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great. Your food will be ready soon.
Few minutes later.
How was your meal?
It was delicious, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. One moment, please. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Take your time.
Thank you. I'll pay with cash. Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, it was great. Everything was delicious.
That's wonderful to hear. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
Great job. Now you know how to order food in English at a restaurant. Try practicing with a friend or by repeating the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite food in English below.